Have you ever tried Lebanese rice? It's vermicelli and rice mixed together. But I put some flavoring more to get more flavors from the dish. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's make the Lebanese rice together. This recipe is for 3 guests. We need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 60 grams of butter, just melted, 10 pieces of cashew nut, saute for 2 minutes, 2 cups of unroasted vermicelli, stir for 3 minutes. Make sure you stir continuously. Add ginger, fine julienne, 6 cloves of garlic, fine sliced. Saute for 2 minutes. Add sliced onions, half, and saute for a minute. By the time, 1.5 cup of Basmati rice, washed 3 times. Add the rice. No need to soak the rice. We can straightly make this beautiful rice. Saute for 5 minutes. Add 3 cups of water. Give a quick stir. Add salt, 2 teaspoons. Again, give a quick stir. Transfer to a high flame. Cover. Let it cook. When rice and water are on the same level, give again the quick stir. Keep the things flat. Squeeze some lime juice on the top. Cover on a very, very low flame 30 minutes. You will get a fragrant, beautiful, fluffy rice. Using a fork, fluff the rice. The Lebanese rice we just made, we just opened. The fragrance from the dum, so good, buttery smell, so good, ginger, garlic, so good. How fluffy is this one? So beautiful. It's very hot, but I want to try it right now. I say super, beautiful, delicious, no other more than words. Please try one time this rice. You will be a fan of this rice. It's my guarantee. And if you like it, please put it on the comment box. See you with a new video. Bye.